This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can find and see how much random access memory you've got on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to enable the developer options, or to put it in other words, make this section of settings visible, which you can do by going into the About Phone category and simultaneously tapping at the build number field. Or not simultaneously, excuse me. Tap over here multiple times until you see you are now a developer message, then re-enter another category that is system, and in here you'll see the developer options pops right up. Now enter this page, and in here inside the memory use section, you'll be able to see not only how many gigabytes you have in total memory as per RAM, but also how much of it is being averagely used in any given period of time. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.